Guys, what's going on? It's Oregon Motorcycle bringing you another awesome banging episode coming to you straight out of Oregon City. Today we are on the Clackamas River and I am showing you guys some rock crawling, some hard enduro today with a stock 2022 Talaria Sting. Folks, this is my 2022 Talaria Sting and I'm out here today on the Clackamas River just ripping it up on these rocks. This is so crazy what this bike is capable of. So let's do it. So yeah, I'm so surprised with the capability of this bike. It's out of control what this bike can do. I think the capabilities are endless here. There's just a lot of stick. But the cool thing about this bike is you can kind of just gun it like that and pick the front end up and just kind of sit back down on it, feather the throttle a little bit and then pivot it around because it's got the juice to do it. We're not crossing that long. Kind of see some of my tracks I've already been through here. Guys, if this is your first time tuning in, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button because we're tearing it up on the Talaria. Woo! Woo! Hey doggy, you got a big stick, dude. Throttle again, it's crazy. Woo! Good load. So as you guys can see, for a stock Talaria, I think this thing does excellent as far as rock bashing, off-roading, hard enduro, whatever you want to call it. I'm super impressed. I can't believe, what the hell was that, a leaf? Huh. This bike's so filthy. Yeah. I can't believe how well this thing gets along. It's crazy. Try this little rock garden again here. Now it does get tossed around a bit by some of these bigger rocks, but I mean, come on. Whew, just like that right there. Just wonder if a 21 would help a little bit with that up front. That's what I would like to do, is put a 21 up front here. So, but yeah, it's wet. It's slippery out here today, folks, muddy. But the Talaria just gets it. Yeah. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Oregon Motorcycle. If you did, make sure and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you guys want to get a notification when I upload a new video, make sure and hit that notification bell. Whew, I'm out of breath. This is such a workout and such so much fun. Oh my God, this bike is out of control. Fun, I'm loving it. I gotta go home and wash it now, get a recharge. I'm about 45% battery right now, but I'm gonna play around a little bit more and then get out of here and whew, maybe go have a beer. Jeez. All right, guys, until next time, Oregon Motorcycle. Woo. Talaria. Woo!